Hello, this is ATGLordMelchior, and hey, what's this? Why are all the reflections purple and black? Well, you see, this is a perfect example of not properly encoded reflections. Thing is, if you do not set your cube maps to be correct, then purple and black reflections will show up anything that reflects anything. Like the heavy's fists, or the sniper's scope. So, fixing this is easy, but a long and tedious process. So pay attention. In Source SDK, the first thing you have to do is put around a few env cube maps. These are entities, so make sure that you go to your entity tool. Inside of objects, type env cube map. And the idea is that you put one in every room. So one in the blue spawn, one in the blue part of the area, on top of the blue part of the area, on top of the red part of the area, in the red area, and in the red spawn. This is where we are going to place our cube maps. For a small map like this, I think this will be enough. So, next thing you have to do is run your map. You do this by going to File, Run Map, or by clicking F9. Set Run BSP to normal, Run Viz to normal, and Run Rad to normal. And I'm just not going to run the game after compiling because I already have the game open, but that doesn't really matter. Hit OK. And this will compile your map, which takes a few seconds. When it is done compiling, you can open your map in Team Fortress 2, or if you decided to run the map directly, it will start the map automatically. Right, once you are connected to your map, open the console by pressing the tilde button. It's underneath escape if you don't know what a tilde is. This is the tilde button. And the first thing you do is insert build cube maps, and you will get this. It will take a few seconds depending on how many env cube maps you made. Next thing you do is type in mat bump map 0. This will disable a bump map, and this will take a few seconds. When that's done, disconnect from your map. And once you're disconnected, type in mat bump map 1. This will again take a few seconds. Once that's done, reconnect to your map. Once you are once again reconnected, once again type in, build cube maps. And after that, once again type mat bump map 0. Then type in build cube maps, and then disconnect. Then type in mat bump map 1. And reconnect to your map. Once you're reconnected to your map, type build cube maps for the very last time, and you're done. And once that's done, you'll have properly encoded your env cube maps. It's a long and tedious process, but if you don't do it this many times, you'll still sometimes see purple and black reflections, and we don't want that. And as you can see, Heavy's fists are now properly encoded and show reflections in a proper fashion. Hip hip hooray. And that concludes the cube maps. If you find this tutorial hard to follow, the process is posted once again in the description, so you can read that for future processes. Note that you should always do the env cube maps after you're pretty much done with the map, so that the map doesn't change too much with the cube maps. If you change the map significantly after configuring the cube maps, please configure the cube maps again. It'll make it that much nicer.